Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. It is August 2nd, 2021. We have a ton to cover in a short period of time, so we're going to jump right in. U.S. stocks were down just a tiny bit. Internationals were up about 0.6, and then emerging markets were down about 2% last week. This kind of flies in the face of the weak dollar discussion that we've been having over the last, 6 months or so. Generally speaking, we are kind of blaming pressures in China specifically, as they are the largest weighting in the emerging markets index. So we're going to have to reevaluate some of the positioning there, but just wanted to flag that for everybody. In terms of bond yields, we saw Treasury yields decrease again. The 10-year just hovering over 1.2%, which is kind of crazy considering the quality of the U.S. stock market this year. But the bond market is telling us something. We've talked about this many times in the past. Bonds are a better indication of what the future holds than stocks are, generally speaking. So we're going to be keeping a very close eye on that. In terms of Fed talk, last week, Jay Powell kind of delivered the goods in terms of the Fed minutes. More of a situation where he's kind of kicking the can down the road, as it were. We're kind of expecting tapering to start towards the end of the year, although it was not definitive. Also important to note is we have the $1 trillion stimulus package that is apparently going to get through the Senate and go to the House for passage today. I'm going to be keeping a close eye on that. That's one of the things that we were specifically talking about as being important to keeping the U.S. stock market stable for the rest of the year. There is another $3 trillion or something random or insane like that on the table, which likely won't pass, at least in our view. That would just be icing on the cake, as it were. So we're going to keep a close eye on that and continue to adjust our allocations appropriately. Remember, hope is not an investment strategy. Y'all have a great week.